Now that you have walked through the steps of conducting a cost-benefit analysis, let's wrap up with two things: tools to help you to gather, model, and present your data, and the key considerations you need to keep in mind to avoid common pitfalls in analysis of restoration projects. A good CBI isn't just about numbers. It is about capturing the full range of social, economic, and ecological services that restoration can deliver. In the next task, we will explore important tools that can support your analysis and critical considerations for ensuring that your CBI truly reflects the complexity and opportunity of restoration.